Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm Maria, if you are new around here, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. So what I'm doing today is a room makeover, and I'm excited, but I'm not showing my excitement, but I really am excited because I've had my room looking like this for a very long time. Yeah, very long time. So I'm pretty excited. And the bedroom set, because I'm going to change out this bedroom set that I got the bed specifically because it has additional storage, which I'll show you guys as well. I don't have enough storage in this room to put stuff away, so it's like it's not as organized as it can be. So I'm hoping that this change will help me to be just a little bit more organized. All right, so if you like this content, like I said, thumbs up and subscribe. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so this is the before picture. This is the bed that I currently have. That's one of my nightstand table. That's the mirror from my dresser. I put it on the wall. And the other nightstand table, as you can tell, this room doesn't hold a lot. So pretty much all that I'm going to be able to put in here is like the chest of drawer, like what's right there, and just about, you know, just what you're seeing right here. Okay guys, so this is the reveal for my bedroom makeover. I actually had to put the bed right by the window, so I have lost some of the functionality of the window to some extent. I guess not, because it's still functional, but accessibility is a better choice of word. But still loving the layout because it gives me way more room, way more space. Now, the reason why I lost some of the accessibility is because I got this dresser drawer. I used to keep my dresser drawer right where that mirror is right there, and it was a smaller dresser drawer. This one is bigger, so I had to actually put it right here and put my TV above it. Therefore, I had to end up putting the bed in this location, but it worked out perfect. So let's take a tour. So this is my mirror that's over my nightstand table. And some of the things that are in the room are not new purchases, but some are. This is not a new purchase. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This lamp is definitely not a new purchase. I've had this lamp for a while that I got from a local lamp store. And this I got from Home Goods. This plant right here, I like the gray and white vase going so perfect with the wall color. And this is a new nightstand table. So here is the wall color. Love it so much. It's so inviting. It's so cozy. And this painting I actually got from the wall art I got from Walmart, and this wall decor was from Home Goods. The frames above the TV are from IKEA, and the furniture that I have in the room now is from a local furniture store. This countertop decor is from Home Goods. It's recent. And this other countertop decor, this one is from Burlington, also recent. And these lanterns are from Home Goods, recent purchase. My basket is not new. This basket, I think it was, can't really see because I had the throw on it, but I think the basket was from Home Goods. Or if not Home Goods, it was from Old Time Pottery. I just love this throw so much. It goes so perfect with the wall color as well as my bedspread. Now, what I love about this bed is that I get 2 drawers in the front right here. So I get to put whatever I need to put there because it has extra storage, which is always perfect. And with my previous bed, I wasn't able to use my bed skirts, so now I can use my bed skirt. However, I'm not able to use it the traditional way. I'm only able to have the skirt show on each side but not in the front, and that's because of the drawers. And here is the other nightstand table. And here is the other nightstand table. And the same vase right here with this little plant thing, adding some greenery, lamp, and mirror over the nightstand table, and my wall mirror right here. It's really a nice vibe. Also have 3 lanterns in this corner right here, so at night it is really a nice vibe. I'm just absolutely in love with my room, my bedroom makeover. I'm absolutely happy because I have way more room, way more space in the room now than before. Yeah. So if you have any makeover at home that you're contemplating to do, go ahead and do it. It's going to bring you so much joy. I hope this video did inspire you. I don't want to continue recording. You know what? I may drop in a clip to show you the nighttime vibe because it's really a vibe, so I'll probably do that. And yes, I need to still add photos to these frames, and I will eventually get there. I just need to choose which photos I'm going to use and develop them, or I don't know. I have no idea which photos I want to use here. But yeah, nighttime vibe is just so cool, guys. I have these lamps, I meant the candles that are inside, on timer, so it stays on for 5 hours and then it goes off. Same thing for these right here, and it's just a really awesome vibe. So get into the vibe. I hope, like I said, I did inspire you guys to make it happen and start your room makeover.